Basically, a novation agreement has been around for the longest time. All it is there's a purchase and sell agreement already in place, and then you are replacing that original purchase and sell agreement with a new purchase and sell agreement. That's what a novation is, right? The majority of the time, a novation agreement is used on commercial real estate. In residential real estate, it's a very rare occurrence, except if you're one of the students of these gurus. Apparently, their students make millions of dollars a year doing novation agreements. But from my understanding, you need power of attorneys. You need to put a lien on the property, because the whole premise of this agreement is that you have a seller that you are saying, hey, I'm going to, let's say the seller wants 200 grand for the house and the house is worth 300 grand. This is an example they gave. And your offer as an investor would have come in at 157. They're like, I'm not going to take that one, 200 grand. Okay, this is where a novation agreement comes in. So you go into agreement with the homeowner saying that, okay, you're going to get 200 grand. I'm going to do the work that I need to do to the property, right, to get it to be worth 300. I'll sell it for the 300, and anything between the 200 and 300 is mine. But you never close on the property yourself. You never take title. You never take anything to the property. That's why you do a power of attorney, and then you're supposed to file a lien. Or, some gurus are saying you should have set amount that you want to walk away with. So if you say, at 200, I need to put 20,000 in repairs, and then I want 15 grand of profit, right? You need to state that you get your repair money back and the 15 grand of profit. That's kind of how they explained it, right?